If your Blue Whale spa filter needs a good clean, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Turn off your spa and unplug it. This will avoid any damage or debris being pulled into the system. Step 2. Remove the filter cover and carefully unscrew the filter housing to take out the filter. If you have a spare filter, you can insert it into the filter housing straight away, allowing time to clean and dry the used one. Step 3. Give the used filter a long rinse with a garden hose. Spray between the pleats thoroughly to rinse off visible debris and dirt. Step 4. Soak the filter in a filter cleaner solution, following the instructions on the bottle. For a quick clean, you can use filter cleaner spray. Step 5. Rinse the filter again. After soaking or spraying, rinse the filter thoroughly to remove any remaining cleaner. Step 6. Once the filter is clean and dry, place it back into the housing. If it is worn or damaged, replace with a new filter. Step 7. Restart your hot tub and check for proper circulation. Frequency. We advise rinsing your hot tub filter once a week. Depending on frequency of use and your water quality, they may need a deep clean every 3 months. You should consider replacing your filter every 6 months. Follow Blue Whale Spa for more daily tips and hot tub care tricks.